we divide 622 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 2 and it is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down these 2 and it is 22. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 622 divided by 5 is 124 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.